This carrot drink helps to quickly reduce belly fat and things. Overweight seems to be a threat for most women over 35 years old. Fats not only make you lose confidence, but also the main cause of health problems such as hypertension, diabetes, and breast cancer. Nowadays, many people try to lose weight through exercise or strict diets. However, these methods often make you feel tired and make it easy for people to quit after a short period of time. The fun news for overweight people is that by preparing a recipe that we will share in this video, they will be able to lose weight quickly without having to follow the diet and spend too much workout time. Eat your kind of smoothies made from natural ingredients that work very well to stimulate metabolism and eliminate body fat. After only 2 weeks of using this smoothie, we assure that you will safely reduce 3 to 5 kilograms. To do it, the first ingredients we need is carrot. First step, peel and cut the carrots into small pieces. Carrots are a great source of fiber, helping to reduce craving and limit food intake. In particular, many studies have found that carrots contain very few calories, helping the body to release fat faster and help prevent rapid weight gain. In next step, add about 50 ml of water to the blender along the carrot and then mix until the mixture is obtained. And now, pour the mixture into the cup. The final and the most important ingredients and necessary to make these smoothies is about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add apple cider vinegar and mix well with carrots. Apple cider vinegar is a component that contains a large amount of acetic acids. These acids have the ability to improve the body's metabolism and rapidly decomposing fats, cells accumulating in the abdomen. In addition, apple cider vinegar also helps to prevent the accumulation of success and improve blood circulation. To get the best effect in losing weight, you should have a glass of these smoothies each morning. Replace the breakfast. This will support the fat breakdown process that will work throughout the day. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave your comment in the section below and we will get back to you shortly. We wish you have a healthy and slim body. See you in next video. Goodbye.